Hello everybody, today we are doing a question from June 2018. Question is from complex analysis. The question is asking us to find the value of integral mod 1 minus z is equals to 1 e raised to z by z square minus 1. So we have to find what is the value of integral mod 1 minus z is equals to 1 e raised to z by z square minus 1 dz. So observe, C is mod 1 minus z is equal to 1. This is representing a circle whose radius is 1 and center is also 1. Why? Because mod z minus a is equals to r represents a circle, equation of a circle whose center is a and radius is r. And if we try to plot it, the circle is, this is the center and radius is 1. So this is what our circle looks like, right? This is the circle C. Now f of z is e raised to z by z square minus 1, that is e raised to z by z minus 1 into z plus 1. From this we can say that z is equals to 1 and minus 1 are singular points, right? And z is equals to 1 and minus 1 are singular points for this function. And if we notice, z is equals to 1 is this point, it is lying inside the circle, and z is equals to minus 1 is here and it is lying outside the circle. Okay, so it is lying inside the circle and it is lying outside the circle. Now to find the integral, we can go for Cauchy's integral formula. Which basically says that if f of z is an analytic function lying inside a closed contour C whose orientation is in the positive direction, and if z0 is any point lying inside C, then f of z0 is equal to integral over C f of z by z minus z0 dz, and here we will be having 2 pi I also. So f of z0 is 1 by 2 pi I integral over C f of z by z minus z0 dz. Remember, f of z in the Cauchy's integral formula is analytic function, okay, and C is the closed contour. So here our circle, our contour is C mod 1 minus z is equals to 1, and clearly z is equals to 1 is a point at which the function fails to be analytic. E raised to z by z square minus 1 dz fails to be analytic. So when we have to find the integral, what we can do is we can write this integral as e raised to z by z square minus 1 dz is equals to mod 1 minus z is equals to 1 e raised to z by z plus 1 by z minus 1 dz. Then z is equals to 1 is a point which is lying inside the circle, and e raised to z by z plus 1 is an analytic function in the circle C. So therefore the value of this integral will be 2 pi I using the Cauchy's integral formula into f of z0. Z0 is 1. So into f of 1, where f of z here in our, by using Cauchy's integral formula, is e raised to z by z plus 1. Okay, and therefore the value is 2 pi I into e by 1 plus 1, that is 2 pi I into e by 2, which is equals to pi I d. So the correct answer is pi I e, which is option number 2. So option number 2 is the correct answer. Thank you.